Contraction or by relaxation? Tell me, Ra. The blood pumped from the heart to the arteries by what? By contracting. Correct or not? So the heart pumps blood into our arteries by contracting only. Is it yes or no? Please note it down. Because of high pressure, that is why the walls of the arteries are much thicker, because the blood need to travel with water, high pressure in the arteries. Correct or not? It is pumped from the heart. That is why the walls is much thicker than the veins. That is what you have to remember. So now, as we know that the heart pumps the blood into our arteries by contracting. So when the heart contracts, it becomes smaller or bigger? Please tell me. It will become smaller or bigger. Contracting. Contracting means smaller or bigger. If you communicate, it is good. So when the blood is pumped into the arteries by contracting, the heart size will become what?
Smaller.
It will become smaller. Contracting. If I'll crush you, what will happen? When your size will decrease or increases? Your size
Decreases.
yes, correct. Any organ. Suppose if I'll crush this bottle, what will happen? The size will decrease or increases? Size will decrease, correct. That is what contracting. So when the heart will contract, remember, then the size of the heart is decreases. Size of the heart is decreases. It becomes smaller in size and pushes the blood into main artery with a great force. What is the main artery name called as? What is that main artery?
Aorta.
Understand? It will push us with a great force. Now, once the blood has been pushed into this, immediately then the heart will get relaxed. So it will relaxes, means in a sense it will comes back into the original size and gets filled up with a blood from somebody. What is that? Anybody? Somebody will bring. When it will be relaxed, somebody will bring the blood to the heart and they will throw you inside the left atrium. What is that called as? Who will bring the blood from lungs to the left atrium?
Sir, pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein.
That is what you have to remember. When it will contract, the size will become smaller so that the blood will be pumped into the main artery with a greater force, and immediately it will be followed relaxing. It will relaxes so that again it will becomes back into the original size of the heart, and it will immediately filled with the oxygenated blood from pulmonary vein. So in this way, the heart keeps on contracting and relaxing, keeps on contracting, relaxing, again and again and again and again to pump blood into the body continuously. So our blood circulation is involuntary action, and even it is not controlled by us. It is continuously lifelong process from our birth time to our death time. Because if the blood supply will stop, then what will happen? Is it we will alive or we will die?
We will die.
We will die, because if there is no blood circulation, then there is no supply of energy. Means in the sense of food is not transported, oxygen is not transported, no respiration will reaction is maintained, so that energy is not released to maintain our body temperature as well as metabolic activities. So it will leads to the death. So this continuous supply of blood continuously to the body organs by contracting and relaxing of heart, is only called as what we should call heartbeat. Heartbeat. Understanding? One complete contraction and one complete relaxation. Are you understanding? One complete contraction immediately followed by what? Followed by relaxation of the heart is only called as heartbeat. Please all of you write it. One complete contraction. Definition of heartbeat. One complete contraction. First contraction only. One complete contraction and immediately followed by what? And relaxation. One complete contraction and relaxation of the heart is called heart is called, what we should call, Ra? Heartbeat.
Heartbeat.
That is what you have to remember. Now, let us comes to, if the heartbeat is more, what will happen? If the heartbeat is less, what will happen? That is all we will discuss now. Now you people tell me, what is our human heartbeat rate per minute? For 1 minute, how many times our heart?
72, sir. 72.
72.
Is it
72.
correct? So if you'll observe, not exactly 72. If you are a well understanding, healthy person, the heart usually beats up to not exactly 72, between 70 and 72. 70 to 72 times in a minute. Understand? When we are resting. So when we are completely relaxing, when we are normal state, understand? When we are relaxed, means normally. So our heartbeat will be 72, 72, how many times? 72.
72.
Do you understand? So that is what our heartbeat per how much time? Per
1 minute.
1 minute.
Minute, sir.
All of you should remember. This is what when we are relaxed, when we are normal state, when we are not running, when we are not doing any work, when we are not in some kind of pressure or tension, something. We are completely free and relaxed. Then our heartbeat is 70 to 72 times in a minute when we are resting. So, means in the sense of what is the meaning of 70 to 72 times? What is happening? Anybody? Means in the sense of what it is indicating. Heartbeat means I am saying what? One contraction.
Contraction and relaxation.
Contraction, relaxation.
70 to 72 times the heartbeat is taking place for 1 minute. Means in the sense of the blood is pumped into arteries. How many times? How many times? 1 minute it has been pumped into arteries. How many times? Sorry, what is the meaning of heartbeat? Yeah? The heart pumps the blood how many times? The heartbeat is 72 times, means the heart pumps the blood, understanding, into the artery. Blood pumped into the artery means per minute to how many times? 72 times per minute. That is the meaning of heartbeat. Do you understanding, all of you? So blood has been pumped. Pumped to where? Pumped into arteries. Artery.
Artery.
Understanding? By how many times? 70 to 72 times.
70 to
That is
72.
main artery, called as what? Main arteries. Main artery, what is that? What is the main artery called as?
Aorta.
Aorta. So that is 70 to 72 times. That is what we used to call as heartbeat. Means the oxygenated blood has been pumped into this main arteries about 70 to 72 times per minute. That is what we should call as heartbeat. All of you, do you understand? Yes or no? What is the heartbeat? Heartbeat means what? Pumping the blood down.
Contraction.
Understanding? Pumping the blood out to the arteries about 70 to 72 times per minute. That is what we should call as heartbeat. Means by contraction and immediate relaxation. That's all. So that is what you can see. We can feel our even heartbeat. Suppose you can check now. You cannot hear your heartbeat. Suppose when you are sitting in a place, understanding, and if you sit where the region very calm and very polite, then you can even hear your heartbeat by yourself. Is it yes or no? Lub dub. You can follow your heartbeat when it is climate, everything is very cool and pleasant climate. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And if you go to the hospital, how the doctor will check our heartbeat? Have you noticed it? We can feel our heartbeats. If you place our hand, even you can place and you can check it, all of you. You can feel all of you just like a 10 seconds. You can see our heart will be lub dub sound. You can hear. But in our home, fan and so many things are there. That sound, it is dominating this sound. We cannot hear that. You may so notice it. You can observe it. You will feel our heartbeat when you are touch, when you are put our hand on the chest, just above the heart region. Is it yes or no? Have you heard? Here, if we'll keep, we'll feel it. Are you feeling or not? Yes. Like same way, doctors cannot hear directly because that heartbeat sound is very low. They will use some instrument called as what?
Stethoscope.
Heartbeat.
Stethoscope.
Stethoscope. Correct or not?
Stethoscope.
So stethoscope. What is the use of stethoscope, Rock? Anybody? What is the use of stethoscope? So a stethoscope is a what? It is what a doctor listens. The doctor listens our heartbeat by using an aperture or a mission, simple mission called as stethoscope. So what is the stethoscope? What it will do? What is the use of the stethoscope? If you keep stethoscope, have you noticed it? The sound will become increases. Have you noticed it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Anytime have you
Yes,
used
sir.
the stethoscope at least
Sir.
once? If you'll heard the sound, the heartbeat from the stethoscope, we can heard very loudly. Have you noticed it? Blub dub, like that. Sound will increases much. Is it yes or no? Yes or no, Dina? Varsini? Have you noticed it? Next time if you'll go to hospital, just ask the doctor, or else in your home, if somebody is having most of your parents may be doctors or something, you can check once. Actually, stethoscope, why we'll use means, it will magnifies the sound. What is the meaning of magnifies? Karthikeyan, Jesse, what is the meaning of magnifying? Magnifying
Making it
will
clear.
multiples the sound effect. Do you understand, Ingra? So when we use this stethoscope, it will increases the sound of heartbeats so that the doctor can hear the heartbeats very, very clearly. Very, very clearly. That is what you have to remember. It will magnifies the sound so that we can hear the sound. The doctor can hear the heartbeat sound very clearly. Either it is pumping properly or not, either it is 70 to 72 times per minute or not, we can come to know. Do you understand? So the average
Yes.
number of heartbeat of a person when he is in rest or relaxing is about 70 to 72 times per minute. But suppose you are in some little bit tension, or else when you are in a running, or else when you are in a physical exercise, means some like excited, or else overly you are laughing, or else suddenly some kind of a shocking news, something, then automatically our heartbeat count will become increases or decreases. When you are physically strained, our heartbeat will increases or decreases. Increases or decreases. Speak, yeah.
Increases, sir.
By that time, our heartbeat count, understanding, increases means in the sense of the blood supply will be what? The blood supply will be more or less?
More.
More. So our heart will start pumping the blood with a high pressure with a more and more times. So by the time you observe, around more than 100 times per minute, our heart will beat. When we are running, like fast running, when we are running for a certain distance, then and if we'll stop, by the time you can see so many of them will feel even suffocation also, and we will open our mouth and we'll try to breathe the air. Correct or not? Like that we can do it, because by the time oxygen supply is not sufficient to release the enough sufficient energy by our body, so that our heart will start pumping the blood more and more and more faster and faster and faster. Even we can see by the time 100 times per minute also. So the heart beats faster during this, understand, during and after the exercise, because our body needs more and more energy under these conditions. That is why our heartbeat will be much faster after and before, during and after these exercises. But you can see our heartbeats become slowly at such a situation. Can you able to say anybody? At certain situation, our heartbeat will be reduces. We can practice it also. Can you able to say what is that? In which situation? Which situation our heartbeat will become reduces? When we are doing yoga, have you noticed it? Yoga, meditation. Have you remembered? Please,
Yes, sir.
meditation, they will say us to focus on our breathing. Take long breath and release slowly. Take long breath and they will say release slowly. So why means, what is the use of meditation? Remember, please, all of you, if the heartbeat rate is much more faster, remember, our lifespan will be decreases. That is the remember. So if you are trying to control your heartbeat, then your lifespan will be increases much more. That is the truth. That is why you can see tortoise. Do you know tortoise, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Do you know tortoise? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tortoise, what is the lifespan of tortoise? Average lifespan of tortoise? You may study it in social studies or geography somewhere. 150 years. How much? How much, Ra? 150 years is the average lifespan of tortoise. Even few tortoise, even they can alive till even 300 years also, if you are not killing. So why means their heartbeat rate is, you want, you can verify, around 11 to 12 times or 12 to 13 times. That much very less heartbeat. What is that? Do you understand, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is why heartbeat, you want, you can check it. So if it comes to the tortoise, the heartbeat rate is much and much less. Understand? That is why their lifespan is very, very more. Even the tortoise, some tortoise, you can say, all of you. I have just found 6 beats per minute. How much the tortoise? Just 6 beats. Understanding? But actually, the 6 beats like a tortoise. What is like a water tortoise and all. The tortoise which is living in turtles, which are living inside the water and all, then just 6 times per minute. That's all. So that is why they used to live even around 200 years also. You understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir? That is what. Now, if your heartbeat is reducing much, then our lifespan increases. That is why you can see all the yoga, these monks and all, they will try to control vatra. They will try to control only our breathing rate. Do you understanding? Yogasana and all. Why we are doing these asanas and all kind of yoga and all meditation and all? To reduce our stress. Stress will reduce us. Means automatically what will reduce? Stress will reduce means automatically what it will reduce? Blood circulation rate, means our heart will start coming to the normal state, correct? And further, if you are trying to reduce, then our lifespan will keep on increases. That is why from the ancient time, our people will say, if you are in a tension, if you are in something, understanding extra pressure on your head, so please go with the meditation. 10 minutes, 15 minutes for meditation if you do, your brain will be sharpened much faster, because the heartbeat rate will be reduced so that our heart will work normally, so that our lifespan will increase. So if we take the turtles means tortoise and all, basically the tortoise which is living on the land, which will take the breath around 12 to 13 times per minute, and some tortoises, they will take only 6 beats per minute. How much times, Ra? How much? 6 beats. Understand? Suppose, how many of you know rabbit? Do you know rabbit?
Yes, sir.
Do you know rabbit? How many of you know rabbit? What is the maximum lifespan of rabbit? Anybody? Dilipan, Padmavarshini, Kevin, anybody? What is the maximum lifespan of Jesse? Maximum lifespan of rabbit? Can you guess it? Can you guess it? Just like guess it, 5 years, 10 years. If you are killing, not without killing. If you leave one rabbit, today it has been bought. So how many times? Do you know? It is just 9 years. Not 2 years, Dena. 9 years rabbit will alive. 9 years is the lifespan of rabbit, because per minute, do you know how many times the heart will beat? 209 times. What is that? 209 times. So, very, very much faster. Is it yes or no? Compared to us, even 3 times more than that. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason the heartbeat rate is much more, so that the lifespan is very less. Cows, dogs and all, their maximum lifespan is 15 years. Correct or not? 15 to 20 years, the dogs and cows and all, because this heartbeat rate also will varies around 150 to 200 times per minute. That is why their lifespan is also very, very small. Do you understanding, all of you? And even us also, if you want different lifespan of self and outdoor rabbit. So there is a different lifespan of self and outdoor rabbits. Actually, Kevin, remember the animals which will grow like not indoor and outdoor rabbits, which will grow like a domestic rabbits. Not only that, every domestic animal, the lifespan is less. Do you understand why it is? Can you able to say, all of you? Every domestic animal, the lifespan is less. Because when it is under our control, the metabolic activities, they were not done by their natural process, so that our feeding, our protection and all, their understanding, their care will be like overtaken. Like, and you can see the person who is sitting in the home is just continuously eating without working. So the person is facing a lot of health issues, correct or not? Over fat or obesity or something extra or something mind understanding, like different kind of activity, mentally like this, because of our care. That is what the animal which will grow naturally, definitely the lifespan is much more compared to the animal which has been grown with our control. Understand, Kevin? And also, for example, you see, present, our people, we people are having a lifespan is more, or our ancient people is having lifespan is more? Can you able to say? Suppose you take primitive ages, or else your grandfathers. Suppose if you go to
Ancient people.
King's time,
Ancient people.
average age,
Ancient.
yeah, ancient people. Why it is? Because they used to live close to the nature, correct or not? They used to live close to the nature. That is why, even though the physical hard work is much more, their lifespan is much, because only during physical hard work only they will be understanding, more energy may be utilized, but all the over fats and no mental stress will be. If you relax, you can see, if you're doing the physical hard work and if you're doing anything, there is no mental stress, so that our lifespan will increase much more. But present, our lifespan is much more. Now, what is the present lifespan? 60 years, I think, maximum. Before 100, now it comes to 60, because of this is only mental stress, physical stress, as well as no proper food, and we are very far from the nature now. We are living very far from the atmospheric conditions. That is why our lifespan is decreasing much and much further. After 100 years, it maybe comes to 40 or 30 years also. We cannot even expect it. That is what you have to remember, all of you. So, if you are trying to control, even for us, this is the one of the health benefit. You remember, now we are all in a pandemic situation. We can do the 30 minutes, this meditation per day. I'm not saying any other thing, running, jumping and all. Just 30 minutes per, if you are able to do meditation, morning 15 minutes and the night 15 minutes before bed and after wake up. Before bed means just watching phone, directly sleep not. It is the most dangerous act, more than like directly taking poison. I'm not joking, it is. That is why before bed, going to bed, just like at least 5 minutes, you can give the mental relaxation continuously, then our lifespan we can do. Like, averagely, if you are doing 1 minute meditation means your lifespan is increasing one day. Like that, averagely you can calculate. You are going to, suppose you are doing averagely like half an hour per day, you are going to live 1 more month extra in this earth. Like this you have to imagine. So then lifelong I can live like 100 years, 1000 years means, just I'm saying, if you are going to live 60 years, maybe you may live 5 more years extra if you are following this meditation and all. That is the importance of meditation and this proper food and all. That is why always I will say, don't go with this Chinese fast foods and all. You monthly once or twice you can take, but not regularly. I have seen so many of you. Yeah, you will eat regularly this oil foods and all, Chinese food, fast food, noodles and all, regularly, weekly, thrice also you can eat. It is all not good. That is what. So our heartbeat, those who can control our heartbeat, they can live more number of days on this earth. So you people, if you want, you can try. Even somebody, they can reduce, you can see. Ramdev Baba. How many of you know Ramdev Baba? Ramdev. Do you know Ramdev Baba? Patanjali products. I'm not saying the promoting Patanjali, but Ramdev Baba, his heartbeat has been controlled to 50 to 55 times. That much he is having a grip on his heartbeat. That is why he is very strong. You can notice it. He is very strong physically and mentally also, and his heartbeat has been completely controlled by him on. And even he can without breath, he can stay even 2 to 3 minutes also without breath. That much controlling on his heartbeat. That is what you can see. But I am not saying you to don't stop the breath, but you can reduce it by increasing the meditation time. You understand, all of you? That is what we can say heartbeat. Means the contraction and relaxation rate. Control. If you control, then what will happen? our lifespan will increases. Do you understanding, Ra? So those who are lowered, a state in which the heart rate, understanding, heart rate is lower, then longer lifespans. That is what you have to remember. We can increase the lifespan is much more. Do you understanding, all of you? Anybody, same thing. Everybody the same. If you are trying to control, if you are trying to reduce our respiration rate, means in a sense this heartbeat rate, then we people can make it more and more and more. Suppose you take whale, elephant, and all. What is that lifespan? Ra? Whales, lion, elephant, and all. Horse. What is the lifespan? Anybody? Please tell me. Their lifespan is around, do you know, 70 to 80 years. This because everybody same thing. If it comes to the elephant is around 50 to 60 years. Means heartbeat is little bit bigger. So if we'll go with the suppose mouse, how many of you know a mouse? Rat man, mouse or rat. Do you know rat and mouse and all? What is the lifespan? Can you able to say? What is the lifespan, Ra? Mouse and rats and all. Their lifespan is just less than 10 years because their heartbeat is more than, understand, 200, 300, 500 times also. That is why they will live very, very less time. Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the cows, donkeys, and all these dogs and all, their lifespan is around 20 years maximum, hardly 15 to 20 years, because their heartbeat is above 100. So those animals, those who are having, that is why you can see those who are feeling more stress, they will get the heart stroke easily. Have you noticed it? Heartbeat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those who are continuously in stress, mentally stressed. Remember, more than physical stress, mental stress is very dangerous to our heart. So you are now class 10. This is onwards, if you are trying to control your heartbeat, then definitely your lifespan is much more. And even old age also, you people will be stronger. You no need to depend on some physical support to walk or to do your works at least. Like a tortoise. Be like a tortoise. That is what people will say. So see, some activities, whenever people will say, some fellow will come and will say, rabbit, be like a rabbit, because rabbit always means compared like a race, tortoise and rabbit race. As we know, maybe tortoise will win, but now present generation not like that rabbit will run some distance and will relax and will sleep once the tortoise will pass. That is our ancient time. Correct?